drawing for real. Told you about front face view. Line about halfway down, nose, upper lip, bottom lip, chin. Taught y'all how to go to the right. Same thing on the left. So let's go to the left. Same premise. Curve line, this distance, take it back here. Back of the head. That distance goes to the inside, side plane. Alright? So let's just draw something real quick. It is the exact same premise that I talked about in those beginner guides. Just gonna elaborate more. Yeah, let's do a female. One thing that I try to do when I'm drawing is you don't always want to draw dudes. You don't want to always draw ladies. You always, especially if you're trying to illustrate, create, a good rule of thumb is switch it up. Rotate it in and out for the ladies, dudes. Just keep switching. You don't want to be one-dimensional. You often want to keep on mixing things up so that way you can stay sharp. Not going through a lot of additional detail about things. That's those beginner guys before. One thing I didn't show you last time is the side view. So actually, we're going to do a couple of things. Try to go a little faster and not get so caught up in what I'm doing. Side view. That whole premise, that whole beginning that I talked about. Halfway point, nose point, upper lip, bottom lip, chin. We went to the right, we went to the left. If you have this premise down, all you gotta do, go to the side, this initial circle, we're going to the left, eyebrow line, right there, nose line, right here. Upper lip, right here. Bottom lip, right there. Chin, right here. That's it. And that is it. This distance from here to here, right here to over here. Same distance right here. Take that same distance to the back of the head. Same premise, same thing. That's why it's important that, when I'm giving y'all tips, tell you about the initial things that I was working on. So here we go. I'll be moving around this page, this paper. Bottom of my nose, back of the head. Bam. Right here. This is back of the head. Sideline. It's right here. It's actually in the middle of that crosshair. That's your side plate. That jaw. Where those lips meet up. All the way to the corner. That eye socket. Like I initially taught y'all. If you watch the first couple of videos, we go right here. That's pretty much it. Outside the initial oval, nose, eyebrow line, ear, right here. That is your side view. Works the same for the right as it does for the left. It's amazing how things match up. But at this point, we did our light shading. Let's go ahead on. Clear up some things. We don't need all the initial lines that we made. At the end of the day, your dream is your own. You know, it's a blessing if people believe in your dream, want to be there, all that other kind of good stuff. You know, they want to support you consistently, ask you questions, help you stay motivated. But think about this. If they're not there, that dream is your own. That dream ain't meant for everybody else. It's meant for you. So whether or not you have the support of everybody, or if you have the support of nobody, you know, you still gotta continue to move forward. But don't let nobody ever stop you. Ever in life. Because at the end of the day, you're the one that has to live with yourself. You know, the decisions that you make, the goals that you pursue, it's on you. It's not on your loved ones. It's not on anybody else. It's on you. So, you'd rather be the person that always tried to accomplish your dreams. I'd rather try to accomplish what I set out to accomplish than to be a person that never tried at all. So keep those dreams tight, keep pursuing it no matter what. So on that note, I love kids. I love y'all. See you next time.